everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we again would be talking about a new launch, but this time it is by the brand Faces Canada. So Faces Canada came up with their new no transfer matte lipsticks in 12 color options and they retail only for rupees 499. So these lipsticks were basically launched around the same time when K-Beauty blushes were launched. And I actually saw both of them together and I even ordered them together. In today's video, I would be sharing the lip swatches and my first impression about these lipsticks. I have bought 6 shades out of the 12 available in the collection and I have all 6 of them with me right now. I would just quickly name them first and then we'll talk about the packaging of these lipsticks. So the shades I have with me are called Trickster, which is shade number 08, Influencer, shade number 02, Underbud, which is shade number 04, Meme Monster, shade number 10, which is the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. Then I have shade number 09 called Cereal Texture and shade number 06 called Tea Spiller. So these are the 6 shades that I have with me. Now before going into the swatches of these lipsticks, let's talk about the packaging first. So I've already told you that these lipsticks retail for 499 rupees, which is the price for 3.5 ml of the product. So this is how the outer box, the outer packaging of these lipsticks look like. Actually, this is a very standard outer packaging of Faces Canada products. So this is how all of their products are packaged. So yes, this is how the product is packaged. The description about the product and little bit of details are mentioned on the box itself, and there is a little sticker which mentions the name and number of the lipstick as well as the color. The sticker is actually sort of color coordinated and it will show you how the actual color of the lipstick looks like. Now opening this outer box, this is how the actual lipstick looks like. I'm actually pretty impressed with how this 499 rupees lipstick looks like. It looks very classy and it is pretty sturdy. It is a plastic packaging with a golden color lid, as you can see in my hands right now. Now because it's a plastic transparent packaging, the color can easily be seen from outside itself, so there is no need to make it color coordinated or anything. But the name and the number of the lipstick is mentioned on a sticker pasted at the bottom of this lipstick. Now like other liquid lipstick, this also opens up in the same manner. Let me show you how the wand of this lipstick looks like. Again, this is a very regular looking doe foot applicator. It does have a little like hole in between with a pointed tip which makes it easy to apply the lipstick. There is nothing very special about the packaging of this, but it does look pretty cute and it does seem sturdy enough for traveling. Now without talking more about these lipsticks, let's jump into the swatches first. Welcome back. So now you must have already seen how all these lipsticks look on my lips. Now on to my final thoughts about these lipsticks. I haven't actually tried them enough for a full day or so, so I can't really comment about the staying power of these lipsticks. But if I talk about the transferability of these lipsticks, these are non-transferable. So till the time they dry completely, they can transfer a bit on the back of your hands. But once they are completely dried, they do not transfer whatsoever. I've already shown you the demo. Pigmentation wise, all the 6 colors that I have are very pigmented. Just a single swipe of color is sufficient to get a fully opaque lip, and they're very easy and very creamy to apply to. Now the only thing I'm not so happy about these lipsticks is the fact that they are a little bit drying on my lips. They are not as drying as the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks, nor they feel very uncomfortable on the lips, but they certainly are a little drying. Like, they are very lightweight. I am not actually able to feel anything on my lips right now, but I do feel a little bit of dryness on my lips, and that is when I have applied lip balm before applying these lipsticks. I have actually also changed my lipstick. The one that I was wearing in the starting of the video was shade number 10 Meme Monster, but the one that I have currently on right now is shade number 06 called Tea Spiller. Actually, Tea Spiller is the last shade that is swatched in my video, and I didn't want to remove it again because these lipsticks are a little bit difficult to remove. Again, they're not as difficult as the Maybelline Super Matte Ink lipsticks, but they are a little difficult to remove. I had to apply a little bit more pressure to remove these lipsticks, which actually can denote that these do have a good staying power. But I will just update regarding the staying power of these lipsticks in my blog post. I would be reviewing each and every shade individually in my blog. For those of you who are not aware, I also have a blog which I would be linking somewhere on the screen and in the description box down below, where I write a detailed review about each and every product that I try. So I would be trying these lipsticks and giving the staying power and everything a try, and would be writing a detailed review in my blog post. Overall, for 499 rupees, yes, it is a very good option. These seem to be like a competitor of the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks, but these are just available in 12 color options, whereas those are available in more than 40 color options. So if you are someone who find Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks a little more drying and a little uncomfortable to wear, so you can give these particular lipsticks a try. So that's all for today's video. If you like to see the swatches of any other shades from this collection, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you like today's video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.